So quick update on the WRX VB. It's past its break-in period, and my son wants to upgrade his muffler. So we'll do a startup so we can compare before and after. So there we go. Give it a rev. Go. So after doing his research, he's chosen MBRP, and it's the tips are 2.5 inch inner to 4 inch outer diameter dual tips. So this install is pretty easy, and we're gonna go ahead and start taking off the existing mufflers. I didn't even put the car on jacks or jack stands. I mean, this is how simple this is. So just break the bolts, pull the hangers off. Actually, pulling the hangers off was one of the toughest parts of the job. And yeah, so I'm here struggling, putting finger force powers. Good thing I work out my fingers all the time at the gym. Within 10 minutes, I already had the other pipe up, installing gaskets, while my son was breaking down the other side. Right here we have one just mocked up, the other muffler is up, and this has some pipe clamps right here, and just leaving them loose until we get the other one on right there, and then just kind of match the roll, how level it is, the spacing, the depth. So that was the second hardest part about the job, but overall it was a pretty simple install. It took more time. Look, we're trying to level it out, and that actually took more time than taking off the mufflers and putting in the new pipe.
I put so much work in on this.